Everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys top 5 best growing Fidelity index funds for 2024. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Hi guys, so I'm on the official USA Today website, so I'm just gonna wait for it to load. Okay, so the USA Today is a very credible website, so we have an assurance that their information is going to be authentic. So it's loading. So these are the top 6 funds. So Fidelity 500 Index Fund, Fidelity Total Market Index Fund, Fidelity Small Cap Index Fund, Fidelity International Index Fund, Fidelity Emerging Markets Index Fund, Fidelity Global ex-US Index Fund. So you can see the expense rate, their total assets. You can pause the video and see which one is the best for you. So yeah guys, that's about it. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.